Hello friends, hello family, hello colleagues. You have tuned again into this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. I'm Zao, be leading you throughout this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. I'm going to say hello and hi to all of you out there are watching me throughout this channel, that are supporting this channel in one way or the other. Really, my prayer is that let the infinite spirit, let the I am replenish you abundantly. Okay, friends, colleagues, family, we are going to talk about something very important today: how to find meaning in life. How to find meaning in life. Okay, sometimes let's go into our video proper. Sometimes in life there are some times that we feel like if life is boring because of activities that are becoming monotonous. That is activity that will repeat every day, and we seem as if there's nothing that is keeping us going. You see, every day you have to go up, you have to stand from your bed, you have to get up from your bed for me to say, and brush your teeth, take your breakfast, and then get ready to go to work. All those type of things like that, repetition of activities. Sometimes we have to eat every day, we have to go to the toilet, we have to drink water, we have to do the same activities every day and all the time. And sometimes life seems to be boring. Really, if you are going through that stage now, I'm telling you, really, this video is going to help you find meaning in life. Okay, family, how to find meaning in life? Life is more sweet. Life is simple. Life is not boring as you think it is. Life is not the same thing as you think it is. We have come here to grow, and we have come here to express ourselves. We have come here to express who we really are and to evolve. And we can't evolve if we don't reach our potentials. We have to reach our higher self. We have to express the fullness of ourselves in order to enjoy life in its fullness. And we have to equally know that we in ourselves we are full. So how can we find meaning out of life? Or how can we find meaning in our life? In the moment of suffering, in the moment of difficulties, in time of pains, in time of disease, in time of deception, in time of whatsoever you are going through, poverty, I'm telling you that there is meaning that you can find in those times. Even in time of loneliness, you can find meaning out of those moments. Life is so meaningful. Life means a lot. Now, how can you find meaning in your life? I'm going to share you some strategies that if you apply it to the latter, you are going to see your life, you are going to enjoy your life, and you are going to have motivation to go every day with your life. So number one thing, how can you find meaning in your life? The first thing in struggling to find meaning in your life is, first of all, what? One, forgive. Now, more often at time, life is in the essence of to be meaningless or to be boring because of the accumulation of things that we carry in ourselves, the accumulation of events, the accumulation of situations, the accumulation of the failure, the accumulation of the stagnation that we carry, and we transport it all through wheresoever we go, even when we are sleeping, and that's what makes us very heavy. So forgiveness is like removing that weight, removing that stone that you are carrying, that is making life to be heavy, that is making you and you are not flexible and to carry, to perform, or to do anything. Number one thing is forgiveness. What is forgiveness? Forgiveness is letting go. If someone have done something to you, please don't even mind about that thing. Let your heart be free. Have a peace of heart. Let your heart be free. Don't want any person, don't hate any person. Whatsoever they do, whether they are doing to you, they are not doing to you, the reality is that they are doing to thyself. If someone is insulting you, the person is not insulting you, the person is insulting himself. If someone is rejecting you, they are not rejecting you, they are rejecting they themselves. So whatsoever, anything that they do, they don't do it to you, they do it to thyself. Any act that you pose, you are not posing the act to yourself, you are not posing the act to someone, you are posing the act to yourself. So the number one thing that you have to do in order to find meaning in life is, first of all, number one is, one, forgive. Let go of anything. Let go of any pain. Let go of any hurt. Let go of any deception. Let go of anything. I'm going to insist in this because when you forgive, it's going to waste your energy. and you are going to be more motivated. You are going to have more energy in order to go forth in life, in order to achieve goals and higher goals in life. Now, the number 2 things we have to do in order to find meaning in life is to be grateful. Express gratification. We need to express gratitude to those that do us good. We need to express gratitude first of all. The number 1 person or the number 1 being we have to express gratitude is to God. In the morning, every morning, kneel down and thank God for the life. Thank God for this new day. Thank God for the great things He has done to you while you were sleeping. Thank God for divine protection. Thank God for seeing this new day. Express gratification. Be grateful. That's the number 2 thing. If someone render to you a service, say, I thank you. If someone do to you something, say, I thank you. Most of us, we don't have more in life. We fail to receive more in life because we fail to be grateful. We fail to receive more in life because we fail to be grateful. When you are grateful, life is going to give you more. Imagine that a father gives something to his son, and the son the son don't thank him in return. You see, the father will like, it seems as if this thing I've given to my son, he haven't helped him. And in another term, the father might not give it again. But when the son is, Daddy, I thank you, oh mommy, I thank you, it means that the mother will have compassion that, hey, this thing that I've given to boy, or I've given to this man, he has helped him. Be grateful to the school that you went. Be grateful to the teacher that taught you. Be grateful. Even as you're watching this media, this video through Raising Energy, Raising Vibration through YouTube. Be grateful. Be grateful to the bank that is keeping your money. Be grateful to the food that you receive. To the farmers that have cultivated your food. Be grateful to the money that you touch. Be grateful for the clothes that you are wearing. Be grateful. Express gratification. Express it. It's very important. Now, the number 3 things in finding meaning out of life is that what? We have to prophesy in our life. Prophesy in your life. This one is terrible. When I talk of prophecy, what is a prophecy? Prophecy is just like statement that you give to yourself. Let me tell you something. If you don't prophesy in your life, no, someone will not come and prophesy in your life or in your place. Say, I am good. I am in the image of I am. I am expressed in the image of love. I am abundance. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am good in writing. I am good in speaking. I am. Confess. It's like an auto-suggestion. Affirmation. That is how you can do in getting meaning, in finding meaning in life. If sometimes things are not going, when you're in tough situation, don't say, oh, this situation, this month, this economy is down. No. I am going stronger. I am going financial independence. I am financial independence even when things are not going. Even when things seems to be strong, tough. I am financial independence. I am a good wife. I am a good husband. I am a good father. Those things, begin to confess, begin to affirm, begin to prophesy in your life. If you don't do that, I'm telling you, someone is not going to come and do that for you. Begin to do it and you're going to get more meaning in life. And the next thing in doing to find meaning in life, that is the number 4 thing you can do in getting meaning in life. Now, if you want more meaning in life, please. Life is meaningful when we try something new. Ha ha ha. Yes, when you try something new, life is meaningful. Let me tell you something. Like you do something that you have not done. This day I'm going to maybe clean the street. I'm going to maybe play football. I'm going to maybe sing a little bit. If singing is not part of you, okay? That is, do something that you are not used to do, something new. I don't know. Today I'm going to cook. You have not been used to cook. Today I'm going to cook. Today I'm going to wash my wife's clothes. I don't know. Do it once a time. Try something new. Engage yourself in something new. And doing that, you're going to find meaning in life. Sometimes you might even do it. Something that you never thought that you are gifted in. Because of the fact of doing it, you see that you are gifted in it. And that thing that you might engage yourself in, it might even be the breakthrough to your it might be the gateway to your breakthrough. I'm telling you, So try something new. Try something new. Try something new. That's how you can find meaning in life when things are not going. Try something new. And how can you find meaning in life? Then the next step. The next step I'm going to share with you is that what? Please express compassion, express empathy. Be an empath person. Be someone that feels for others. Be someone that is like expressing love. That's how you can find meaning out of life, because sometimes there are people around you that need your help. There are people around you that are found in difficult moments, in difficult situations. Now, if you fail to express empathy, now, let me tell you something. The energy, the vibration that empathy brings. Empathy, because empathy is generated because of love. Someone cannot be an empath if he is not a loving person. It means that when you express more of love, you are at higher vibration, and because you are at higher vibration, there are high probability that you might likely, there are high probability for you to manifest the life of your dream, for you to achieve the house of your dream, for you to manifest the wife of your dream, for you to manifest the financial level that you want. Express empathy. Help. Even if it's just a soap to give to someone, it's a brush to give to someone in a day, give something out. It might not be something great, and it might just be slight things. Just give something out. Express empathy. Help. Feel for someone. Come in the help of someone. Time and again visit prisoners. Time and again visit those that are in the hospital, and just share with him. Even if it's just a word, even just bring them a present. It can be a clothes, it can be a cap, it can be water, it can be anything. I don't know, but express empathy. Express empathy and help. That's how. And the last thing that you can do in finding meaning out of life is what? Look at what you like to do. What is it that in life you like doing? It may be singing, it may be writing, it may be talking to people, it may be teaching others, it may be impacting others. I don't know. It may be drawing, acting, it may be acting and send a film, something. I don't know. Or it may be just playing football, it may be playing it may be playing anything. Look for what you love doing and you like doing, and do it every day. Create time for it every day. Create time for it every day. Create time for what you like to do and do it every day. That's it. By doing that, you will find meaning in your life. And don't forget the role of meditation. One way you can find meaning in life again is by this, and this is just an additional benefit, an additional way. Meditate every day. Create a time. Is it in the morning or in the evening? If you like, if you have enough time, you can schedule your time two times a day to meditate, morning and evening. Create a time and meditate. Meditate is like, I don't know. Practice yoga. It's what? Meditate. Take time to be silent. Observe the silence. Sometimes you get away from the quarrels that are going in your mind and just be silent. Sometimes leave your mind and be in your body. Leave your mind and be in your body and just be there and just be there and just be silent. You are going to see great things in your life. You are going to see that life will be more meaningful. You are going to see that life will go. Really, try to do it, and you are going to see things up in your life. You are going to see the reason why you were created, and you are going to see the reason why it means to live, and you are going to live life in its fullness. Okay, friends, family, I am M. Hamza, leading you in this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. Please, if you are new in this channel, make sure you subscribe in this channel. And please, you might do good to press the notification bell so that I will be able to notify you when I'm going to upload new videos. Okay, please give a like to this video and give a thumbnail and comment down below for me to say. In that said, I'm going to tell you, let the infinite spirit bring to you your heart desire.